Okay, we're going to use the laws of logarithms to write expressions as a single logarithm. So it's important to get this right, especially like when you're solving equations as well. So first example, so we're writing as a single logarithm. So first of all, log 3 plus log 5. So we're using the laws of logarithms. If you see this, so there's no base written in here. So if there's no base written, then you can assume it's a base 10 logarithm. So on your calculators, which we will be using soon, the logarithm button on your calculator is a base 10 logarithm. So log A plus log B is the same as log of A times B. So that's equal to log 15. I'll do another 4. So log to the base 4 of 27 minus log to the base 4 of 9. So the bases have to be the same, and then log A minus log B is log of A divided by B. So that's equal to log to the base 4 of 3. So there's the first two. Just get another board. Right, so now I've got 2 log to the base 5 of 3 plus log to the base 5 of 4. You need to follow the laws exactly. So log A plus log B is log of A times B, but there's nothing being multiplied in that expression. So the first thing you need to do is pull up your powers. So this 2 log to the base 5 of 3 is the same as log to the base 5 of 3 squared plus log to the base 5 of 4. I'm sure I said this last time, but there's sort of imaginary brackets in there. So that's log to the base 5 of 9. If you wanted to square log to the base 5 of 3, you would have to write it like that, and that is something different. So this is equal to log base 5 of 9 plus log base 5 of 4. Log A plus log B is log of A times B. So we end up with log to the base 5 of 36. Putting some x's in, so something like 3 log x minus log 6. I don't think there's anything too complicated going on here. So always bring up your powers first. So log x cubed minus log 6, base is 10. And then log A minus log B is log of A over B. So that takes us to there. And I've got 3 boards with one clean side and one side that I just can't get clean. So change the board and turn me over. Right, last one. So log x plus 4 log 2 minus log y. So powers up first. So log x plus log of 2 to the power 4, which is 16, plus, sorry, it's a minus log y. And then I would suggest if you've got a whole string like this, you can just work left to right first, but you need to think like usual. So you wouldn't write in a plus, but that's a positive log x, and then this plus belongs to the log 16 and the minus to the log y. So I would combine the first two together first to give myself log of 16x minus log y, and then log a minus log b is log of a over b, which takes us to there. The other thing to remember, we'll do one more actually. So log to the base 3, 27, let's try log to the base 3 of 9. So multiplying those two together. Well, there's two ways you could do this, I suppose. Yeah, there's two ways, but if you did decide to multiply them together, then you get 2, 4, 3. And 2, 4, 3 is 3 to the power 5. And that gives you 5 log to the base 3 of 3. And this is equal to 1, so that you end up with 5. Or you might spot that 27 is 3 cubed, 9 is 3 squared, and then you can bring down your powers. 3 log to the base 3 of 3 plus 2 log to the base 3 of 3, and if you've got 2 lots of something plus 3 lots of something, you get 5 lots of log to the base 3 of 3, which is 5. So it's not always right or wrong, there's not always a right or wrong way, but just kind of thought I would remind you that that is equal to 1. Right, I think there's some book questions on that.